Hey guys, so in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to Playblast your animation. So the way you can Playblast, there's two ways you can do it. You can right click on the time slider here, so you can just anywhere on this time slider, it will give you this menu. So right click and then Playblast, and you want to select the options box, so you always want to do that. And then I usually just have view selected and leave these all deselected. Format AVI, so it's in the form of a video. Encoding I usually set to none. Quality I set to 100, so it's good quality. Scale I set to 1, just because the quality, if you set it below 1, it usually can come out quite pixelated. But sometimes you might not mind that and it is quicker, so you might set it lower. Frame padding you can just keep at 4. And then to save the file and remove temporary files checked on. So to save it, your file, and save it in a location, you'll press browse here. So I'm going to save it to this folder called movies, and I'm going to call it Playblast 1 or Playblast Tests 1, and press save. So once that's saved, then I should be able to just Playblast. So that's done it, and then this is the resultant file that I get now. So if I press play, this is what I get. So you've got a file there with your animation in it. But I looked at it and the quality was quite good. So another way you can get to the Playblast menu is if you go to Windows and then Playblast here. Now this menu is a bit different because it has a few extra features. So it's got this time range, so it's saying time slider. So it's going to go off this time slider, so it's going to do the whole duration. But that's a little bit of a waste of time. So you can go to start/end, you can click this box, and then it will tell you what frames you want it. And because we went to frame 36, which is here, that's where the animation stops. So if you have a look, move this out of the way, so you can see it starts at 1. If we keep going, it stops at 36 and then nothing. So I put the start frame as 1 and the end time is 36. Leave this unchecked, and the only one I have checked is view. Same settings as we had in our Playblast, and then I can do Playblast Test 2, so it doesn't overwrite. So if you leave it as Playblast Test 1, it would overwrite it. So then I press save, and then I can Playblast again. So it's just doing it there, and this is the video file. So then I can play it again. And there you go, you have your animation in a Playblast. So that concludes the end of this lesson.